Starting instruction. First, turn on the switch of the carburetor inward. Turn on the damper outward. Secondly, turn on the ignition switch. And then turn off the damper. Machine using instruction. First, adjust the suction port to the proper height according to the number and size of the leaves. Secondly, turn on the ignition switch. When finishing working, turn off the ignition switch, turn off the switch of the carburetor outward. Lastly, unload the liter basket. And pull out the garbage bag.